morning, students. So today we are going to do opening and closing of window. So students, as you know, we can maximize or minimize our window as per according to our need. Maximize means to enlarge our window and minimize means to reduce the size of the window. So student, without closing, without shut down the window, we can reduce the size of window. So the icon of the opening window will come on the taskbar. So as per according to our need, we can open that directly as whenever we want. Next students, we have maximize button. This is our maximize button. Students, in the upper right corner of the computer window on the computer title bar, point to the maximize button, then compare your screen. The maximize button is the middle button in the group of three buttons. Students, it is present in the middle of the three buttons. So whenever we maximize our window, it covers all the screen parts of our computer. Next one is minimize button. This is the sign of minimize button. Whenever we minimize our screen, students, the window is not closed. It is temporarily hidden from the view. So it's temporarily icon present on the taskbar. Next students, close button. Close button is used to close the current program. Next students, we have basic window accessories. Students, in basic window accessories we have calculator, notepad, wordpad, remote, desktop connection and various system utilities. First we have notepad. Students, notepad is a basic editor that you can use to create a simple text documents. Students, हम नोटपैड को यूज़ करते हैं जब हमने एक सिंपल अपना एक डॉक्यूमेंट, टेक्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट बनाना होता है, तो वहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, नोटपैड को यूज़ करते हैं. नोटपैड एक और जगह यूज़ होता है हमारी प्रोग्रामिंग में. HTML की प्रोग्रामिंग में भी नोटपैड को यूज़ किया जाता है, क्योंकि जो HTML की कोडिंग है उसको हम लिखते हैं नोटपैड में. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नोटपैड में हम कुछ ऑप्शंस हैं, कुछ एडिटिंग ऑप्शंस होती हैं हमारे पास, जैसे कट, कॉपी, पेस्ट, डिलीट, फाइंड, रिप्लेस, गो टू, डेट, टाइम एटसेट्रा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जो नोटपैड की एक्सटेंशन होती है वो होती है .txt. whenever we save our document in notepad, we have to give the extension .txt. So students, how we can start the notepad? Firstly, we have to click on the start button, then all programs. Here we have accessories. In accessories we have to choose the notepad. We can also open the notepad by typing the notepad name in the search button. So students, here we have some parts of notepad window. Here we have first a title bar. In title bar, students, as we discussed already, that in title bar here is the name of the program. So notepad is the name of the program. In the title bar, notepad is the name. Next, control menu. Then we have minimize button, maximize button and close window. These three buttons we have to discuss already. So students, this is a vertical scroll bar. In online class yesterday we already discussed about the scroll bars. So this is horizontal bar and this is workspace. Workspace is used to type the text. Thank you.